I'm going to show you how I make my favorite whipped coffee using just a few ingredients.
I don't have to find an aesthetic, I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.
Now listen to this part as it's very important to the making of your whipped coffee. I found that making my whipped coffee in anything other than these glass cups have actually failed. So for some reason, me making whipped coffee inside of a glass cup works way better than using a metal cup or a plastic cup or anything else of the sort. So not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it actually works. So if you failed at making these before, try using a glass cup. Getting started, you're going to take your glass cup and some instant coffee to start your process. You're going to match your instant coffee with some granulated sugar. No, substitute sugar will not work. You need granulated sugar for your whipped coffee process to actually happen. Using very little water, you're going to take your milk frother to your coffee and sugar mixture, and you're going to start whipping it. After a few seconds, you should start to notice that your mixture starts to foam. Once it reaches the consistency where it's no longer frothing, that's when you can add your other ingredients. When it comes to frothiness, make sure you let your whisk hit the bottom of the cup because there are sometimes some granules that are left behind, and that is a bitter taste when you go to sip your coffee, so make sure it is well mixed. But if the 2 scoops of sugar wasn't enough and you like yours extra creamy and sweet, add some caramel sauce on top. I also prefer to use milk instead of water. It just makes it so much more creamy and more like a shake, if that makes sense. That's pretty much all there is to making my whipped coffee. If you try it, let me know in the comments how you like it and if you did anything different. So I would like to try your version as well. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.